Incumbent Laurie Smith and former undersheriff John Hirokawa are in a tight race for sheriff of Santa Clara, a county where immigration concerns are of top priority. Both candidates show support for the immigrant community. Here is Hirokawa commenting on how immigrants are important to the foundation of this country.
Immigrants, because this country was built on strong immigration. I'm for DACA, I'm for Dreamers, I'm for protecting the immigrant community, and the sheriff needs to stand up and be a voice, not just sign on to different press releases, sound bites, not just doing those things behind the scenes, but be out front. And so for John Hirokawa, he'll be out front to ensure those things happen.
Here is Smith speaking on her support of Santa Clara's Santuary policy.
Yes, I do support that policy, and in fact, I was part of, in 2010, I participated on a task force where we developed that policy, and we were one of the first agencies that really had a tough policy in place. In 2017, the County of Santa Clara sued the Trump administration over his unconstitutional immigration policies, and I submitted a declaration in support of that action.
The issue of how Santa Clara law enforcement approaches immigration is important to many people and organizations. Siren is one of them. Siren is a nonprofit that provides legal and educational services to primarily Latino and Vietnamese immigrants.
And we know at Siren that our advocacy and community organizing can help to move our immigrant communities forward, but we also believe at Siren that we have the power with our collective vote to impact policies in our region, in our state.
Smith won the primary election with 43% of the vote. Hirokawa took second place with 32%. Regardless of who wins, Siren believes changes are necessary from the sheriff's office.
We would like, a sheriff who can build trust, with the immigrant communities. Santa Clara County was one of the first counties in the nation to pass a civil detainer policy that completely cuts off collaboration with ICE. Definitely we want them to comply with that policy and, be able to train personnel and their staff to not let ICE into the jails.
There are community members who don't think Smith is doing enough.
Honestly, a lot of people that are voters are seeing that, in fact, there needs to be a change because she hasn't done what she's supposed to do. And honestly, she's never done it. I don't care what people say.
And there are community members who acknowledge the work Smith has done.
She understands that we don't want anybody in our community to feel afraid to call the police or collaborate with the police to make our community safer. And she's taken that very, very seriously. And second is really to make sure that we're doing the kind of communication with the public that lets them know that no matter who you are or where you're from, if you see a crime or you're a victim of a crime, we want you to call and ask for help.
Siren is focused on continuing to build within the community.
I feel like as a community organizer, my role is really to allow people to develop themselves politically and to think that there's other ways to get policies and legislations that we want to push for that come through grassroots organizing and really empowering communities to lead their own change.
With so much at stake for immigrants, gaining their votes won't come easy. About 24% of the votes are up for grabs in the general election. This is Dilcia Mercedes reporting for the Peninsula Press.